This is Movie Network, the Movieplex at your place.
Tonight on Movie One. She's talented, she's beautiful, she's virtually perfect. Al Pacino is lost in the illusion of reality in Simone at 8:30. And on Movie Extra, some games you play, some games play you. Iconic rapper Tupac in Drama Mondays Above the Rim at 8:30. And on Movie Greats, he's the office clerk that's going up in the world. Jack Lemmon and Shirley MacLaine in The Apartment at 8:30.
Movie Network, the Movieplex at your place.
The following movie is rated M and is recommended for mature audiences 15 years and over. It may contain coarse language and adult themes.